Hello everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to use your iPhone as a scanner. So first you're going to open up the Notes app. Then you're going to go into your normal notes, I'm in a folder, and then you're going to create a new note. It's in the lower right hand corner. Okay, so now we made a new note. We're just going to name this Plane Ticket. And I printed something out so that we can scan something. So then you're going to actually select scan a photo or document and then press scan documents. So now we can scan this. Okay, and it took the picture and there we go. Now we just press save and there we go. So we can also take from photos or whatever and take pictures and whatever you need. But let's show another way to do this. You could actually turn off auto and then actually take the picture and then adjust it yourself as needed. Like if you need to retake it, crop it, just like this. And it actually gives you a really helpful tool to do this. This is great for if you need to take a picture of an ID or something like that, and you just need it to be on your phone, but you don't want it to be like a messy picture. So this is what it looks like in the end, and you can actually share this picture to anyone you want. And yeah, you can also download it to your camera roll. It's a very helpful tool. So that is how to turn your iPhone into a scanner. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, see you in the next iHelp video. Bye.